All right, we are in the lobby of 300 Galleria Officentre in Southfield, Michigan. This is a really nice lobby. Look at it. There's the Westinghouse over there I just rode. And on this side, you have the Northwest elevators, and this one is actually coming down right now. Let's go take a ride on it. These ones have been modernized. And there it is. And it was actually just parking. Let me start with this one. This actually looks to be a slap-on. Yeah, this is not a full lot. Wow. Or it could be, for all I know. Because you know what? If they did and they kept that old indicator, that's pretty awesome in my opinion. There's a look outside in Southfield. Look at that. There's actually 2 interlocks there. That's cool. You can actually see quite a bit up there. Wow. It's pretty cool. Let's go down to 1. The fact that they kept the old indicator is really cool. Love those green buttons, that's cool. All right, so that was the service style elevator tied into the passengers. Yeah, they really did a good job on this mod. They kept the original layout by keeping the same style indicator, just a newer innovation style. That's really cool in my opinion. This is how you do a good mod. Keep some of it original while making the rest of it look even better. This is how you do a modernization. I love it. Again, original indicator, and this one's Scenic too. Replace the bulbs in there because probably most of them were burnt out. All the down arrows are wired together. Yeah, we'll send this up to 4. That way you guys can see it go up. This is a great mod. That's a Dover / ThyssenKrupp stop button. There's the hydraulic ram. All right. That's a really neat elevator. That will be it.